In the first example, we have fraction. In order to find value of y, I'm supposed to eliminate the fraction. Remember, fraction represents division. In order to eliminate division, we're supposed to use multiplication. In this case, we have to multiply both sides equation by the denominator. By the way, anytime you want to eliminate fraction, you're supposed to always multiply both sides equation by the denominator. That's why I'm going to multiply right side by 5 and left side I'm going to also multiply by 5. Because I have negative number, I'm going to write this number inside of the parentheses. Take a look what will happen. 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. Okay? 1/5 times 5 we can understand like multiplying by 5 over 1. 5 and 5 will cancel out. Okay? 1, because I have 1 divided by 1 is 1, and 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 times y gives me simply y. So I can rewrite this equation as y equals negative 30. Again, someone can ask me why I didn't change the sign. Because I moved negative 30 to the right side and y to the left. I didn't change the signs because I took everything from the left side and moved to the right, and everything from the right side moved to the left. Anytime you take everything from one side and move to the other, you don't change the signs. That's why this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, we have fraction. First, what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to eliminate the fraction. We said that anytime you want to eliminate the fraction, you have to always multiply both sides equation by the denominator. Okay? That's why I'm going to multiply both sides equation by 8. So, let's take a look what will happen. 8 and 8 will cancel out. And I have 8 times 2 gives me 16 equals negative 3y. I'm looking for value of y. Y is multiplied to negative 3. I do not want to have negative 3 multiplied to y. I have to eliminate the multiplication. In order to eliminate multiplication, I'm supposed to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to y. In this case, I have to divide by negative 3. Negative 3 and negative 3 will cancel out. And I'm going to end up with 16 divided by negative 3. Positive divided by negative will give me negative, and 16 divided by 3 equals y. Now, this is improper fraction. In order to convert improper fraction to the mixed number, we're supposed to divide 16 by 3. 3 goes into 16 5 times. 5 times 3 gives me 15. Subtract 16 minus 15 is 1. And my answer is going to be 5 and 1/3. Remember, the top number goes always to the front. Remainder goes to the numerator and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why I'm going to say this is minus 5 and 1/3 equals y. In order to make it looking professional, I'm going to write y equals minus 5 and 1/3. Again, keep in mind that anytime you move everything from right side to the left and everything from the left side to the right, you don't change the signs. That's why this is the solution to my problem.